12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Tiptonville, or 8 miles north of Reelfoot Lake State Park, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Union City, Reelfoot Lake State Park, Tiptonville, Troy, Kenton, Obion, Clayton, Cloverdale, Hornbeck, Woodland Mills, Reeves, Sandburg, Mason Hall, Winburg, Glass, Wright, Croninville, Schaffner, Roney Store, and Elbridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Friday for the following counties in Tennessee: Lake and Obion. The current time is 11.